Hey everybody out there, we got a new video for you today. We're going to be resetting the oil reset light on a 2022 Ford Bronco Wild Track version. So what we want to do first is just go ahead and with no foot on the brake, go ahead and hit the start engine button. You'll see oil change required. We're going to come down here, hit the OK button to clear that off. There we go. Then we're going to come over here and go to our menu. Scroll all the way down. And we'll go down to settings. Then we'll hit OK. Then we're going to go to, we're doing the scroll down to the oil life. OK. And then it'll show remaining. We're going to hold down the OK button. That's going to clear to 100% remaining. And that's it. It's just that simple. Feel free to like, subscribe, share. And I got another video coming at you here in the near future.